Hello everyone, welcome to our channel pythonji. Today we are exploring the top 5 Python libraries that every data scientist should know. These libraries are essential for data analysis, data visualization and machine learning. So let's start. First up we have NumPy. NumPy is a library for efficient numerical computing in Python. Key features of NumPy is multi-dimensional array, vectorized operations and mathematical functions. It optimized for fast computing in Python. NumPy is perfect for scientific computing, data analysis and machine learning. Next, we have Pandas. Pandas is a library for data manipulation and analysis. Key features of Pandas library is data frames and series. For structured data, data merging, data joining, data cleaning and data pre-processing. Grouping and aggregation. Summarize and analyze data with ease. Pandas is ideal for data waggling, data cleaning and data analysis. Next, let's talk about Matplotlib library. Matplotlib is a library for creating static and interactive visualizations. Its key features are plotting functions, customizable visualizations, and support for various file formats. It controls over plot styles and formatting and works seamlessly with other Python libraries. Matplotlib is perfect for data visualization, data charts, data creating plots, and many more. Then, fourth on our list is Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a library for machine learning. Its key features are classifications, regressions, and clustering algorithms, model selection and evaluation, and data pre-processing. Scikit-learn is ideal for building and developing machine learning models. So it has wide range of classifications, regressions and clustering, and it is user-friendly API for quick prototyping. Finally, we have requests. Request is a library for making HTTP requests in Python. It simplifies HTTP methods like GET and POST, supports for various HTTP methods and connections, keep alive and caching. It is easily handling for RESTful web services. Request is perfect for web scraping, API interactions and data fetching. That's it for today's video on the top 5 Python libraries for data science. These libraries are essential for every data scientist or machine learning engineers. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.